Hello, everyone. Good morning, Foray. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend, and I hope you are ready for another week of online learning. Today is Sunday, 21st of June, and I'm sorry if you can hear a noise. That's actually my washing machine. But anyway, so what is happening today? Um, so your first lesson, guys, today is spelling. There is actually no handwriting. You finished all of your handwriting. I think that's why it has not been planned for this lesson. Uh, Today it's only spelling, and because you have no handwriting work, the only work to submit is spelling. You will not have 1 week to submit your spelling, guys. Today is a spelling submission day, so I will not accept that anyone didn't submit it today. Today is your day, guys. Do your spelling activity, submit it today. Okay, today is the only day you can submit it. Okay, then your next two lessons will be according to your individual timetables, and then we have lesson 4, which is science. Guys, in science there is no video lesson, and this lesson is actually an Education City lesson. It's again focused on sound, but all you have to do is log into Education City, find your activities for science, and just complete them. They should be good fun. I hope you enjoy it. And then your fifth lesson with me is maths. In maths, we will be doing word problems focused on place value, guys. So we will definitely, we'll just, yeah, be doing problem solving and problems involving to review place value, okay? Should be pretty easy since it's a review. Guys, today we will meet in the last lesson together, which is the maths lesson. So guys, I will see you online at 12:35. Don't forget to be online for 12:35, okay? All right, and let's take a look at riddles as usual. Right, so the riddle for Thursday was what doesn't what doesn't ask questions but it's answered anyway. And the answer I was looking for was a doorbell. So guys, the expression in English is that when someone rings the doorbell, you answer the doorbell, or we say you answer the door. Okay, so it's the doorbell that you answer without it being asking a question. Okay, it's always answered and it never asks questions. Okay, so we had doorbell, then we had save Google. um we do ask Google questions though. So Google only answers when we ask it something or type something in. But good thinking, thank you. Anahita, also internet, Google, guys. We would usually type something as a question, right? Yalmas, cell phone can be answered. That's really good. Yes, a cell phone rings. It doesn't ask questions, so it is answered without asking questions. Scientists do answer. It's usually some kind of question that they're trying to solve before they come up with some kind of invention or a breakthrough something. Many of you doorbell teachers. Hala, really? Teachers are asked questions all the time. Um, Doorbell, telephone, yes. Google Chrome, Wikipedia, Safari. No, we usually type something in as a question and then it gives us the answer. So Google and Wikipedia, guys, I wouldn't say you don't ask it questions. You usually do. Dictionary, okay. Student answers without being. Students are usually, I ask questions for my, I mean, I give my students questions all the time and that's why and then they answer me. Um, Alarm. We usually don't answer the alarm, but we switch it off. But yeah, or notifications on your phone. Okay, yes, anything that basically rings, we have to answer it. But the rest, yeah. But anyway, guys, as I said, I always appreciate all sorts of answers. So thank you so much for thinking about it, giving it a bit of thought and answering. Okay, your riddle for today that you will have to answer in the comments is what did, sorry, Actually, let me just a second. Yeah, I got it now. It's I scream, you scream, we all scream. For what? Once again, I scream, you scream, we all scream. For what? Please leave your answers below. And inspirational quotes for today. I love this one. Make each day your masterpiece. What does that mean? Okay, so guys, you should think of waking up each day with each new day with let's say as if there is a just a blank page in front of you, okay? Um, the day is yours to create however you wish, okay? So you have like a blank page and you can create whatever you wish during your day. With this kind of intention in mind, you will be able to focus on your life and create each day as a masterpiece. Pretend you could take each day and hang it on the wall to admire the art, okay? So guys, basically make the most out of every day. Imagine you could just imagine your life as a masterpiece, as something amazing every single day, and always strive for it. Like always try your best and always try to make the best out of your day. Push yourself and just be the best version of you every single day. All right, that's everything from me for now. See you at 12:45 for our meeting. Guys, I actually ran out of ideas of what to wear for our meetings. Um, so we are not really, I think we've tried everything. If you have any other ideas, I've run out of colors and other things. If you thought of an idea of something that we could do for our meetings, please let me know, send me a message. But for now, it's just back to normal, wear whatever you like, okay? All right, see you later, guys.